11. Local self-governments. Hi friends, in the pretty old time, there were village panchayats in India. They were very powerful organizations. They were virtually ruling over the village according to the customary laws. The system of village panchayat is a good thing. It is an elected body. The villagers can vote out the panchayat office barriers if they do not work satisfactorily. But the villagers should cooperate with the panchayat in working out all their welfare programs. A municipal corporation is the legal term for a local governing body, including cities, towns, and townships. The municipal corporation is responsible for roads, public transportation, water supply, etc. needs of region. The sources of income of the corporation are property tax, entertainment tax, octroi, and usage fees for utilities. In this lesson, you will learn about the various types of local self-governments.
11. Local self-governments. The elders of our family take care of every member of the family and look after our needs. The bodies which look after our needs are called local self-governments. The village panchayats and the municipalities take care of the basic facilities like electricity, water, etc. Village panchayat. Most of the villages have village or gram panchayats. All the people of 18 years of age and above in the village elect the panchayat members known as panchas. Village panchayat is a body of 5 members and one of them is a woman. A pradhan is elected by the members of the panchayat. He is also known as the sarpanch. He is the head of the panchayat.
The village panchayat helps in maintaining the cleanliness of the village. It looks after the water facilities and also runs schools. Laying of good roads is another work of the Gram Panchayat.
These panchayats arrange hospitals for the sick of the villages and it also settles disputes of the villagers. Municipal committees. The municipality works for the people of the city. In big cities or metropolis like Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, etc., the municipal committees are known as municipal corporations. The members of the municipal committees are called the councillors and the head chairperson. The head of the corporation is the mayor. We pay money in the form of taxes to the municipal committees. With these funds, the municipal committee provides public services to the citizens. The word public refers to people. Public services are the services used by public. Roads are also used by all people. The construction of roads is a public service. Drinking water is also undertaken by municipal committees.
The citizens have the right to have schools, gardens, roads, and hospitals in their town or city. It is their duty to keep the city clean.
Let's revise the important points. 1. The bodies which look after our needs are called local self-governments. They are village panchayats and municipalities. 2. People of 18 years of age and above are eligible to elect the members of village panchayats and municipal committees. 3. The Sarpanch is the head of the panchayat. 5 members are its members and at least one member should be a woman. 4. We pay money in the form of taxes to the municipal committees. 5. The municipal corporations of big cities and metropolis provide the civic needs to the people in cities.